Hey guys, so the other day my mask actually got chewed up by my dog, my light up one I mean, not my stormtrooper helmet. So I bought a new one and we're going to be unboxing it today along with these two little Star Wars itty bitty pop Funkos cases that we're also going to be unboxing today. But let's start with the mask. Okay guys, oh my god. Sorry. Since I don't have a mask, I actually have to like prop up my phone on the side of my suitcase and just kind of open it like this, but I'll show you guys the inside. We have the actual mask and the cord mask. Ah, yes, just like brand new. And I think, yes, it does have a little bit of charge. As you can see, we can cycle through. I've actually never cycled through my mask on camera. But yeah, though, these are all the different animations it has. I might use this one day. But of course, what you all know and love, the classic. We have a few. All of these cause epilepsy. I might do the fire one soon. Oh, does this one not have the star? Oh yeah, and then of course here's the star one that I did a little while back. That's fun. But yeah though, let me choose a new one. Let's do this one. And of course, like always, hello my loyal viewers. This is Nightshade, back again. Okay guys, so because later my mask will be charging, I actually have to make this quick because the battery is really low. But we are now going to be unboxing both of these. So let's start with this one. Which one is this? This one seems to have all of our other Mandalorian characters other than Din Djarin, which is the main Mandalorian in the Mandalorian series. So let's just pop open this here. Shout out to my mother for paying for these because I'm poor as hell. Alright, you guys can see the mystery character first because I love you guys more as my audience. Which one is it? I can't see because there's like this black film behind it. Which one is it? Oh, the black film's on the front too. Okay, guys. Where's the thing to undo the black film? Okay, I'm gonna undo the black film, but you guys are gonna be able to see it first, okay? Is there like a way that I can like undo this film? Okay. I'm gonna kind of like, I think it fell out the bottom. Yeah, I think that's Grogu, guys. Oh, that's so cute. He's eating the frog. But shut up. Yeah. It's Grogu. Here we have Grogu. Y'all know who Grogu is because Baby Yoda's everywhere. But yeah, though. And of course, it comes with a stand, so let's pop them in their stand. And would you look at that? Now, next up, we're going to open our next Funko package. For this one, I'm actually going to let you guys have the first look at the character. But yeah, though, we have Din Djarin, whoever this guy is, and a, ooh, what's his name? The Jawa. This is Quill. So yeah, we're gonna open up our second and final mystery package. Alright, I'm gonna look up so I can't see. Is it like open to you guys? Or like, yeah, you guys can see it. I'll let you guys have the first look because I love you guys more. Which one is it? I can't see it. Oh, we got the same Grogu. We got two of the exact same Grogu. This one is again Grogu eating his frog, And yeah, we have the same Grogu, but that's okay because we still love him. Now let's put these guys in their stand. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Just so you know, all the characters shown in these Funko packages can actually come out of the bottom here. See a little Jawa? And they're made out of that same softish material that all Funko figures are made of. Yeah, if you could, like, come out, please. Yeah, we obviously have Mando, Din Djarin, our favorite. Mandalorian, I mean. Wait, is that Mandalorianist? I don't know. Anyways, though, it seems like every single one of the mystery boxes is Grogu, which I guess is kind of disappointing, but still. Now I have 8 of these, or I guess 7 of different ones. So, that was the Bitty Funkos, that was the Bitty Pop Funkos Star Wars mystery boxes, whatever the hell these are, I don't even know. I found them at, like, Ross. Was it Ross? Yeah, it was Ross. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm actually recording this in the past, so it's daytime right now, but at the time it's scheduled to premiere, it'll be nighttime. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.